YouTube channel. My name is Sesi Quashie and I'm so happy to present to you this whole makeup tutorial. It's so nude, it's so smooth, it's so skin, it's so red, like it's so red, it's so bold, guys. So yes, this whole makeup tutorial I get to keep a very nude eyeshadow look, but yeah, let's pop us a color. So there's some green olive kind of color under my eye just to create that kind of color. We can't go also nude and also bare, like duh. So yeah, but come on, the whole attention of this whole makeup video, it's on these lips, like these lips, man. You can't go wrong with red. Like you can't go wrong with red, trust me, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Do like, do subscribe. If you're new to this channel, you need to join the fam, because this fam is gonna grow, like it's gonna grow so big. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it. Let your friends know that hey, this girl is on the block, you know. This is before the whole makeup, using the Got2b glue gel. This time I'm just pushing all my hair back. I'm not doing the baby hair in this makeup video because it's just a messy bun and we're keeping it simple this time around. So just pushing everything back with the toothbrush. Then I use the spoolie to brush my brow hair and fill the brow with some brow gel. This is quite a quick method to do your eyebrows. So I gently fill it in, and then I don't know why I had to turn my hand, but I think it kind of messed up my brow. So I don't know. I don't think I've ever done this before, but where the heck did I get this idea? Like, oh man. So I did realize the mistake, but it was kind of too late. So well, let's move on. Clean the top of my brow and then going in just in the corner using the same shade of the concealer. Now I move in to do the arc using a brighter concealer just to create the natural highlights, blending it all through using a dense brush. So this is one of the brushes from my Koko collection using my recent videos. I'll list it down below. Using the concealer as a base, then I go in with the brown, very kind of nude eyeshadow. So you could use a very nude brown eyeshadow for this look, because you don't want any drama on your eye. You really want your eye to be so like minimal. So just a brown nude and maybe some kind of translucent kind of eyeshadow with no shimmer though. This is a whole matte, a whole completely matte eyeshadow. So I did some eyeliner, but I didn't finish it up, so I'll finish it later in the video. So I used the Milk of Magnesia this time as my makeup primer, and I'm going in with a Born This Way foundation. This is in the shade Koko, and using it all over my face. It's not so dark. I think it's just okay, because I go in with a much brighter concealer, so it kind of blends in. Yeah. Don't forget, this is skin makeup, so very nude. So using the LA Girl concealers, I used Toffee and Fawn. Yeah, I think I did use Toffee and Fawn. I mixed them up for this whole highlight work. So using this foundation brush from Real Techniques, just applying it in the areas that are necessary for highlighting. So not forgetting my forehead, very little on my forehead because I don't have such a big forehead. I like to have that kind of cute little pout forehead. So just don't go too extra in your forehead, kind of cover the whole forehead area with your concealer, just a bit, and blend it through. It will be just okay. So now I go in to blend everything together with the first, I use the buffer brush. I think that's the name. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Then I go in with a bigger brush. I think this video didn't capture that. Maybe in my other videos you're going to see the brush I'm talking about. So I go in with just a bigger brush just to blend everything through. It makes the whole work flawless and it's real skin. So this time I'm baking for just a couple of minutes. I just want to keep the under eye area bright, and all the areas I use the concealer actually. Just want to keep it bright and matte. So I go in with the black opal and generously apply that all over my face and the areas I use the concealer. In the areas I didn't use the concealer though, I still don't leave it bare. I go in with a pressed powder shade that's just my obvious color, my same shade. So this doesn't create any too much drama anywhere because I go with my actual shade, and you're going to understand why I actually use my actual shade because I didn't look like this time that's under my cheek. I didn't use a lighter pressed powder or loose powder. I kept it my actual foundation shade, and you're going to understand why I had to do that. So I used the green. I don't think it has a name. I took the shade from the Morphe 35. Oh my god, what's the alphabet? Is it B? It's a bright shade. I'll check it out and list it below. It's not a problem. So I took this green just to give it some pop of color. So now the main reason why I didn't want to use a brighter concealer, because I'm going in with a darker pressed powder to act as a bronzer, so to contour my face and create the depths in my face. So you still get to see the difference. You still get to see the margin of difference. It's under my cheek. It's not that bright as compared to under my eye. So there's kind of difference, but and not forgetting to do my nose contour, like, you know, not extra tiny but just okay. And I take it into my brow. Next off, I apply some blush. Yeah, let's keep these cheeks rosy. So yeah, some pink blush, and then I go in with this highlighter. This highlighter is from Focallure. I think it's H04. It's quite a tiny pouch, but it's so pretty. It's really pigmented. Your brush doesn't take too much. That's one thing I like about it. So I kept going in and in and in, so I got what I felt was enough for me. It gives you a really, like, especially for dark skin women, it gives you that kind of real glow from within, and it was so pretty. It's so pretty. Now finishing up this makeup look, lipstick. it's the same Focallure. I'm gonna have to check the number and list it down below, but these crayon lipsticks are so pretty, dear. I don't know what to say about it. So pretty. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.